Hi friends, let me show you this new AuroraLink wireless CarPlay adapter. You can use it with iOS and Android. As you can see, it's a really nice unit, really small, very convenient. You see it's a really small size, really sleek design, and you can use it with a direct USB-A connection or a USB-C. You get the adapter. You just connect this to your car's USB port and it will transmit your phone's contents to your car's display. Let's try it. So now we are going to use our CarPlay adapter. We don't need the USB-C because this car has a USB-A port. So we are going to use it directly like that, and you will see it's connecting to the car's CarPlay feature. You are going to look in your Bluetooth option. You're going to look for the wireless adapter EV20. Just so easy. Connect it, accept the code that you get here, and basically that's it. You have now all your CarPlay's content here. You can use your Waze option to go anywhere you want, or you can hear your music or have all the CarPlay options playing, like reading your WhatsApp messages or any other YouTube music, Waze, Google Maps, anything that you can use in a regular CarPlay option, but wirelessly without using any cable. Your phone is connected to your car's CarPlay feature. That's great, easy to use. Just configure it once and every time you turn on your car, you'll get your CarPlay's content in your car's display. Thank you.